Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add more than one photo to your Instagram story. It is quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is head over to your Instagram app, and then you want to click on your story in the top left corner. From here, it will show your camera roll. Just go ahead and select a couple of photos. I'll just go to scroll down a little bit and click these two. Oh, sorry. You can just click that, or you can click select in the top right to add more than one. So I'll get rid of these two, and these will be my two photos. Click the little arrow, and then I'll have two photos. I can switch back and forth in the bottom left corner. You can then add stickers or whatever you may like. So I'll just put hashtag this. Oh, sorry. Put hashtag, just do hi, done. Then I could go over to this one, do the same thing. Go to hashtag hi, put it somewhere else. You then click the arrow again, and then you could share both at the exact same time. Just click share, and it'll be shared to your story. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching to the very end, and I will see you in the next video.